Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel where we share daily online tips and hacks. And today I'm going to show you how to record a WhatsApp call. We will be using a third-party application which is the Easy Voice Recorder. So let's go to our Play Store application first and search for Easy Voice Recorder. And then click install. And once installed, let's go back to our WhatsApp application and call someone. And once the call is going, go back to home screen and run the app that we downloaded, which is the Easy Voice Recorder, and click the mic red button on our lower middle screen. And now it is recording. And once the call is over, click the check button beside the pause red button. And here on our upper screen, click listen beside record. And in here, you can hear your recorded calls. And that's how you record a WhatsApp call. If you enjoyed our video, please like and subscribe.